Hey, it's Gus with NorthPoint Search Group, and I want to make you aware of a new job opportunity that just came in. It's an entry-level digital marketing coordinator opportunity down in Orlando, Florida. Our client is a household name in the outdoor cooking industry, and they're looking for an entry-level digital marketing coordinator who loves to grill. They're really looking for someone who's passionate about barbecuing, that can assist them in their day-to-day communications on their social media platforms, along with their external marketing agency. Now, the primary role of the position is to produce, capture, and edit video content for distribution on all their social media channels, as well as to share that with the agency. In addition, you're going to manage the listings in their online shopping cart. You're going to generate leads for the sales team via social media. You're going to perform market analysis on the latest trends in the industry, and you're going to funnel hack their competitors. Now, the base salary for this position is up to $42K plus excellent benefits. Now, it's a newly created position that's going to report directly to the VP of Operations. It's an awesome entry-level opportunity. If you're interested, please email your resume to Jennifer Janikova. That's JJ at NorthPointSearchGroup.com, as she's working directly with the hiring manager.